AI isn't just revolutionizing industries, it's creating side hustle opportunities for anyone willing to embrace technology. 1. Freelance AI content creation. Q. How can AI help? AI tools can generate high quality content. Q. How much can I earn? 20 to 100 plus per project. 2. AI powered graphic design. Q. Do I need experience? Not necessarily. Designs that sell, logos, templates, and custom artwork. Q. How much can I make? Earnings range from $500 to $2,000 per month. 3. AI virtual assistant services. What does an AI VA do? Services like transcription and scheduling compete with regular VAs? Absolutely. Earnings $15 to $50 per hour depending on the tasks. 4. Selling AI-generated digital products. Q. What can I create? Templates, planners, stock images. Where to sell? Etsy or your own site. Successful sellers can earn $1,000 to $5,000 monthly. 5. AI chatbot development. Q. Coding needed? Not necessarily. Why pay for chatbots? They automate services and boost sales. Potential income? $500 to $3,000 per bot, depending on features. 6. AI-enhanced online tutoring. Q. How does AI fit in? It supplements tutoring with lesson plans. Subjects, math, language, test prep. Tutors using AI can earn $20 to $100 per hour. 7. AI-driven SEO services. What are AI SEO services? They optimize websites using AI tools. Earnings for SEO consultants, $500 to $5,000 plus project. Final thoughts. AI side hustles offer flexibility, scalability, and high demand. Start building your income stream with these opportunities.